Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of living with dusty floors and pesky dust bunnies? Well, I've got the solution for you. The iRobot Roomba 1042 in-1 vacuum and mop robot is here to change the game. This thing is a beast. With 70 times more powerlifting suction, it devours dirt and dust like it's nobody's business, leaving your floors feeling smooth and clean. You'll hear the gentle hum of the vacuum as it glides across your floors, picking up dirt and debris with ease, and when it's done, your floors will be so clean you'll be able to see your reflection in them. But that's not all. This robot is also a master of navigation, using ClearView LiDAR to map out your home and avoid obstacles with ease. It's like having your own personal cleaning butler. And when it comes to mopping, it's just as impressive. The microfiber mop pad glides effortlessly across your floors, leaving them shiny and clean. And the best part is, it automatically detects and avoids carpets, so you don't have to worry about your rugs getting ruined. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. It's well reviewed and popular among those who have tried it. One of the things that really sets this robot apart is its ability to provide fully custom cleaning. You can choose from settings including vac only, mop only, or combo vac-mop, and even schedule and target specific rooms based on your daily routine. This makes it perfect for busy households, where cleaning can often be a challenge. For example, if you have a big party planned, you can set the robot to do a deep clean of your living room and kitchen, and when you wake up the next morning, your floors will be sparkling clean. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 1042 in-1 vacuum and mop robot is a game changer. It's if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.